The raining scene is the toughest scene in my acting career. I don't remember how many nights, 40 or 50, under the rain. You cannot take off your costume. You have to keep it wet all night long. And you have to fight dozens of stuntmen. And the weather is getting colder every night. And the most horrible thing is I never know I have to fight a real fighter at the end.
By then, Tony went through almost 2 years of training. He was ready, but I never told him who was going to be his challenger in this scene. Not until the last minute, when he's on the set, he discovered it's Kun Lee.
My name is Kung Lee. I'm a former Strikeforce middleweight world champion. I'm a former world Sanshou or Sanda kickboxing champion, and I fight now for the UFC.
It was really scary when you see someone who is double your size with a title of a champion or free fighting. Wow.
Tony Leung, his roles are usually different. He's not used to fighting, but he was out there. He's like, kick me harder. He was game.
After that scene, when I go back to my hotel, I got bruises all over my hands.